Crocodiles are among the most powerful and feared reptiles on the planet. They've roamed Earth for over 200 million years, surviving mass extinctions and climate shifts. Their design has remained nearly unchanged, which is honestly a testament to their evolutionary perfection. Crocodiles belong to the Crocodilidae family, which includes around 15 species. These are large, semi-aquatic reptiles found across tropical and subtropical regions. Though often confused with alligators, they actually differ in snout shape, behavior, and habitat. Crocodiles share ancestry with ancient archosaurs, the group that also includes dinosaurs and birds. They are the closest living relatives of birds, having evolved from the same lineage. This makes them, well, incredibly important to understanding reptile evolution. Crocodiles are found in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia, inhabiting rivers, lakes, wetlands, and brackish coastal waters. The Nile crocodile, for example, ranges across sub-Saharan Africa. The saltwater crocodile is the largest and most widely distributed. Crocodiles have these really powerful jaws, conical teeth, armored skin, and long, muscular tails. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are actually positioned right on the top of their heads, which helps them stay stealthy. Adult crocodiles can grow anywhere from 1.5 meters to, well, over 7 meters in length. Crocodiles are ambush predators. They remain almost entirely submerged, waiting silently before, launching explosive attacks. Their powerful tails and strong jaw muscles help them drag prey underwater with astonishing force. The bite force of a crocodile is among the strongest in the animal kingdom, over 3,700 psi in some species. Their teeth aren't really meant for chewing, but rather for gripping and tearing. Crocodiles swallow food in chunks, or sometimes whole. So, crocodiles are carnivores, feeding on fish, birds, mammals, and even other reptiles. Larger individuals may actually take down wildebeest, buffalo, or even sharks, which is honestly pretty impressive. Hatchlings, though, start with insects and small fish. Crocodiles have these, highly acidic stomachs, capable of digesting bones, hooves, and horns. They can go weeks or even months without food, depending on their size and activity, which is just wild. Their metabolism allows them to survive these long fasting periods. Although often solitary, some species like the Nile crocodile actually exhibit complex social behaviors, especially during feeding. Dominant males establish territory while younger ones are pushed to the outskirts. They sometimes even cooperate to herd fish or defend nests. Crocodiles are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Females dig nests on sandy riverbanks or, sometimes create mounds of vegetation. They guard the nest fiercely during the incubation period, which lasts around 60 to 100 days. Unlike many reptiles, crocodile mothers are highly protective. When the eggs hatch, the female may, quite amazingly, gently carry the babies to water in her mouth. She stays nearby for weeks to protect them from predators. Baby crocodiles emit chirping calls from inside the eggs when they're ready to hatch. These calls alert the mother to assist. Only a small percentage of hatchlings survive, mostly because of predation by birds, fish, and other animals. Crocodiles are ectothermic, which means they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun or, cool off in water to stay comfortable. This energy-saving trait actually contributes to their impressive ability to go for long periods without eating. Crocodiles can live up to 70 to 100 years, depending on the species. They continue growing slowly throughout their lives, which is pretty remarkable. Some of the oldest known individuals have lived well into their 80s, especially in captivity. Crocodiles have V-shaped snouts, while alligators have U-shaped ones. Crocodiles also tend to be more aggressive and tolerate saltwater better, thanks to their specialized salt glands. Alligators, on the other hand, are mostly found in the United States. Crocodiles have appeared in myths, religion, and folklore for centuries. The ancient Egyptians worshipped Sobek, the crocodile-headed god of strength and fertility. In many cultures, they are both feared and revered. Although not common, crocodile attacks on humans do occur, particularly in rural areas. The saltwater and Nile crocodile are the most dangerous species. Experts advise staying away from the water's edge in crocodile habitats. Crocodiles are apex predators, meaning they help maintain balance in aquatic ecosystems. By controlling fish and prey populations, they prevent overgrazing and disease spread. Their presence indicates a healthy river system. Many crocodile species face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Wetland drainage and dam construction, well, they really affect breeding and feeding areas. Illegal skin trade also endangers populations. Some species, like the American crocodile, have made a comeback due to protection laws. Crocodile farming has helped reduce illegal hunting. Conservation parks and sanctuaries are now, honestly, key tools in preserving wild populations. The Philippine crocodile and Orinoco crocodile are among the most endangered. Fewer than a few hundred individuals remain. Conservationists are working hard to save these rare species from extinction. Crocodile farms exist for meat, skin, and conservation. While they reduce pressure on wild populations, animal welfare concerns remain. Ethical and sustainable practices are crucial in balancing conservation with commerce. Prehistoric crocodiles like Sarcosuchus were giants reaching over 12 meters in length. Fossils reveal they once lived alongside dinosaurs. Today's crocodiles are living links to Earth's deep evolutionary past. Crocodiles are more than just fearsome predators. They are survivors, caretakers, and guardians of the waterways. Their story is one of resilience, evolution, and ecological importance. By understanding and protecting them, we preserve a piece of our planet's ancient history.